Ke te wera o te ahi.
One of the reasons why Ko Tātou Te Ahi is the name is because it represents all people of Waitaha and all people of Ōtautahi. Through the earthquake, after the earthquake, like Christchurch is building into this whole new, beautiful, colourful beast. There's just this indescribable pride and mana that everyone here possesses.
No tawhiti taumai.
No tawhiti taumai.
Come from the far lands.
From the far lands.
No tatai manaki mai. That local people have looked after.
I think this song being so specifically directed at Waitaha, at Ōtautahi, I think it is just giving that voice to Māori and Te Waipōnamu as well. It sort of helps to strengthen that southern voice in the wider Aotearoa music community.
Because it is strong down here, and it's been strong forever. Yeah, and it's going to keep getting stronger.
Getting that out, yeah.